welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight, I don't know what happened. The clouds are moving over. The wind's kicking up. It'll probably be sunny here in a minute. Anyway, what we're going to make tonight is some ribeye smashburgers. Look at there. I got a couple of ribeyes there. I got my Blackstone heating up, and we're going to be ready to go here in a minute. But no, I'm not going to make burgers out of these, silly. I'm going to go in with my HOUSNAT meat grinder. We're going to grind these up, and we're going to make smashburgers, ribeye smashburgers. All right, let's go get these ground up. We'll be back out and get these cooked up. Actually, what I'm going to do is on my burger, I'm going to have a blue cheeseburger. You'll see that in just a few. All right, ribeye smashburgers. Now, this is the best part about having a meat grinder. You just take your whatever meat you want to use. We're using ribeye because I love ribeye, and I think ribeye burgers going to be fantastic. So you just want to cut your meat up into chunks that will fit inside the grinder. So we're feeding it. Look at that. And it's just that easy. There. 2 ribeye steaks ground up for smashburgers at just under 2 pounds, 1 pound 15 ounces. Wishful thinking it'd be sunny, still cloudy, and now windy. So anyway, hey, how'd you like that meat grinder, HOUSNAT? That is a pretty sweet unit, I gotta say. I'm really gonna enjoy it. But so here's our ground ribeye, and I'm gonna fry up some onions, and then I have some blue cheese slices, and that's gonna go on top, and we're gonna make these blue cheese ribeye burgers right now. All right, let's see if we can get this done in the wind. I do like grilled onions. That's what I like. This darn wind. Okay, look at that. There's the burger. Thing is huge. See how much of a mess I can make here. Ribeye, blue cheese, green chili, tomato, and lettuce, grilled onions. Messy and delicious burger, and it is dripping. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Oh, that blue cheese. I know not everybody loves it, but man, That ground ribeye, man. All right. If you got a meat grinder, I know. Hey, grind up those ribeyes. That was 2 ribeyes. How many would that normally feed? 2 people. How many burger patties? 3-ounce patties, Smashburgers. I got 10. 10 patties. There's 5 of us here. We're gonna have leftovers. I got a double. Telling you, it's so good. Give it a try. Get a meat grinder if you don't have one. Links are below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video, I hope. We got more great recipes.